Close the blinds fully and clean across the slats with a long-handled duster to remove built-up dust quickly. For routine building cleaning, start by closing the blinds toward you so each slat presents a flat surface. Use a microfiber or lamb's wool long-handled duster and make slow, continuous strokes from top to bottom so dust is captured rather than redistributed. For extra efficiency, attach a clean microfiber cloth to a flat-headed tool or a paint pole with a Velcro pad and wipe every third or fourth slat on the first pass. Then reverse the blinds and repeat so you cover all surfaces with minimal repositioning. If there is sticky residue or grime, mist a diluted all-purpose cleaner onto a microfiber cloth rather than spraying the blinds directly and wipe horizontally with light pressure. Avoid soaking the slats to prevent warping on wooden or composite blinds. For vertical blinds, close them fully and dust from top to bottom, then rotate to the opposite side and repeat. For Venetian blinds, tilt the slats closed in one direction, dust, then tilt closed the other way, and dust again. Use a handheld vacuum with a soft brush attachment for heavy dust or when dust must be contained, working from top edges down to the valance to prevent recontamination. End by returning blinds to their original position and run a final quick pass with a duster or cloth to catch any settled particles. Common mistakes include using a feather duster that only moves dust around, which leaves residue and requires more passes. Replace it with microfiber or a lamb's wool duster to trap particles. Another issue is overwetting the slats, which causes warping or streaks on wooden and some composite blinds. Always apply cleaner to a cloth and wring it well before wiping and test a hidden area if unsure. A third problem is working without a systematic pattern, which causes missed areas and wasted time. Adopt a top to bottom and side to side routine and clean every few slats on the first pass, then reverse the blinds so you only handle each surface twice. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors for projects like blind replacement or deep cleaning, and we show contractor profiles and project leads so tradespeople can find work. We also host an active discussion community where our members share tips, ask questions, and post before and after photos related to specialty surface cleaning and more.